Hey tribe, it's Heather with Heather Bresser Online. I am so excited that you're here. Today in this episode, we're going to be going over what to put on your face before you put on your makeup because it all comes down to what is your good skincare routine, because if you don't fix your canvas, nothing you put on it is going to look great. In case you don't know me, I'm Heather, and I help busy mompreneurs look like they have it all together to get more done in less time. So here are my top 6 steps to creating a great canvas. You ready? Here we go. So the number one is your cleanser. Make sure, cleanser is like your soap. It's going to clean your skin. It's going to exfoliate. I love using multi-benefit products. So you're not using so many different products, but one product that actually does multiple things for you. I personally love a cleanser that cleanses, exfoliates, tones all in one step. So quickly put it on, take it off, easy, done, and it doesn't overstrip. Make sure that your cleansers don't have nuts in them. Because you don't want to scratch your skin. You want to make sure that it's it's very gentle. Number 2, serums. Serums are different than moisturizers. Serums go deep. They protect the moisture barrier. They protect against dryness and improve the moisture retention in your skin. They go deep. They go down to the under layers and they treat the collagen and the elastin, which is what gives us our youthful plump. So definitely want a good serum. SPF is number 3. Sunscreen. Every day you need to have a good protection against the sun's rays, not just the rays that burn, but also the UVA rays. There's UVA and there's UVB. UVA is the cancer causing rays. UVB is the burn rays. You want a good light SPF protection every single day. Are you good about using sunscreen? Definitely, I want to hear about it. Put comment sunscreen or SPF. Put it in the comments. I want to know who's using sunscreen. It is so important. Did you know that in this, like the state that I'm in, we're like number 3 behind California? I couldn't believe it. I was just like, wow, for the number of people getting skin cancer, it's insane. Because people think that in Seattle it's never sunny, and so they don't think to put sunscreen on. We have cloudy days. That's where the UV rays are bouncing off the clouds and off the puddles, and you can actually get burnt quicker on cloudy days than on sunny days. So make sure that you are using that sunscreen. But I definitely want to hear about it. Put a comment below. I want to hear, are you actually using your sunscreen every day? The next step, number 4, is moisturizer. Even if you have, kind of like me, really oily skin, oil and moisture are 2 completely separate things. Your skin can be completely thirsty and still be completely oily. So everybody from the driest dry through to someone who is very acne prone and really, really, really drips oil, you need a really good moisturizer. One that holds the water in, that prevents drying. The next step is primer. We all love to prime. Just kind of like you prime the walls before you paint, makes the paint go on easier and truer to color, as well as just goes on and looks beautiful and it extends the wear. That's what primers are for. And we have tons of different primers. You got your foundation primer, your eye primer, your lip primer, mascara, your lash primer, so many different primers. And then finally, the last part is, which is part of your skincare routine, is the foundation. The foundation is a physical barrier against the environment. It is actually a crucial step in your skincare routine. You want to have that physical barrier between you and all the bacteria and dirt and pollution that's in the air. So foundation actually serves a purpose. It also makes our skin look really even and luminous or flawless and matte. Absolutely love it. There are your 6 steps to creating the best canvas. So to review: cleanser, something gentle; serums, those go deep and protect the skin barrier; SPF protects overall for sun damage; moisturizer, gotta keep that moisture in because we don't want to be pruny; primers to get staying power and make it all look good; and your foundation, which is your physical barrier to the environment. Now, if you like today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, consider subscribing because you don't want to miss the videos that I put out every Wednesday with lots of resources just for you. Here are a couple of other videos that I think you might like. One is on highlighting and contouring, and the other, brows that wow. So make sure that you go check those out. Have a great day.